Alright guys, so as you know, I already got done eating. The food was pretty good. My sister enjoyed it. She said it was just a little bit too salty, which I concurred. I believe because that sauce had a little bit of saltiness. But however, I just got ready and Matthew and I were just discussing like which part we are go tonight. Like where could we go to chill out. I was suggesting first Ribbies or as you heard us talking about Ribbies in the last vlog. We're suggesting Ribbies or is this place called Ambassadors, where we could just go play, you know, a little bit of pool. But he sent me a link to this place called it's like a hookah bar. Grant you, I don't smoke. I mean, I haven't even thought about what a hookah is, because again, it looks like smoke coming out of people's mouth. But I guess I'll Google that and figure out exactly what it is. But he sent me the place. I'll show you guys right now. I think it's called Green Haze Hookah Bar and Lounge. So I think it's on 11 Holborn Road. And of course, I Google map everything. Like, I'm not really good with Jamaica maps. Well, I'm not even good at traveling at all. I don't even know how I actually get home at nights, but yeah. And this is where it is, pretty much off Holborn Road. I know exactly where this is. So we're gonna go there and try to see what it is. So I'm just going to link him now. Hopefully I'm done voila fresh and I'm ready. And then I think the next clip I should actually be there or heading there.
Dog.
Yo, bad man.
Ready?
You ready?
No, not yet.
Sure, no, dog. What time you done?
Me just try to go to me here. Me no overdress and me no underdress.
Yeah, me I just want t-shirt, my one and jeans.
That's a lie, Steven.
Me no.
Dog, yeah, do it for your vlog in there. I have to look trash in there.
You're there on the vlog right now still, you know that?
Oh!
You're there on the vlog right now.
I'm joking, dog.
Big band thing, bad man. Yo, so how long before you're ready?
You're in 15 minutes.
Ah, cool.
Yeah.
So what, y'all drive separately, right?
Yeah.
Ah, cool.
Yeah, I go for kinds now.
Me I go for kinds?
Yeah.
Over Yuri?
Yeah.
Dog, me even remember which part me drive, dog. Me not even good with the roads, bad man. Yeah, man, I laugh after me. I mean, I go for her for real?
Yeah, dog.
Jano. So she ready?
Just answer if you're ready.
Yeah. Alright, bad. If me last, just send a GPS. Black heart down. Caca. Look at it.
Yeah.
Guys, seriously, if you want to give me a heart attack, send me on a journey that I'm not particularly knowledgeable about. I'm not good at roads. Like, I'm really not good at roads. I even know how I'm going to adventure across this island and I'm not good at roads, but it's what I have to do. I think we've gone to pick up actually probably who we call coins. Probably like 4 times I follow Matthew and I don't even observe the road. I just go in the car and just, it's crazy. I know, kind of stupid, but I'm gonna figure out how to get over there. She's on UA campus, so I'll go there, pick her up, and then head to the place. So yeah. Guys, I am so ashamed to keep telling you that in the next clip we're going to be there, but it's not me alone. Like, I have to be waiting on my friends, and some didn't know that we were going at X time. So all I can do right now is just wait until whoever gets ready. Hello Ash, hello Matthew, and just sleep here. I'm just going to lay here for a minute. Just lay here. Well guys, pretty much just here waiting. Long hell of a story. Went to go pick up Ashley and the boat gates were closed by Yui, which was strange. So Matthew decided to pick her up instead. And I'm just here waiting on the roadside for them to meet me up here, and then we should get to where we want to get to. So as you guys can see, we're finally here. So we're in the parking lot.
Crazy. Crazy.
Hello, Swan. Yeah, so we're finally in this new establishment. Hopefully it's really good. I'm not sure, but it looks alright though.
Hello.
Hey, good night.
You guys dining?
I'm kind of hungry too here, so yeah, I guess.
Inside or outside?
Can we see inside? Please. On the crew. Just got in as you realize, I think they've been open for only like 1 month, so that's why you won't see a lot of people here, but we still want to experience it before everyone else. So we're just looking at the menu really quickly and then we will have to. If we're dining?
Yeah. Alright, just give me 5 minutes and I'll come to you.
Alright, cool.
Come to Green Haze Bar and Lounge. We have a dining and we also offer hookah service. We're mainly known for the hookah services.
Okay.
Now we have 2 prices in the hookah, one for 1,500, one for 1,700.
We go for the 1,700 one.
Okay, the 1,700 one you get a mix of 2 flavors. Flavors that we currently have are watermelon, double apple, vanilla, raspberry, and mint.
So, because I have never done this before, I had to ask if you had like tobacco or drugs, but they said that there's no caffeine or anything like that. So I think I get it like the vanilla flavor. What flavor I get? Any flavor, what flavor you get? What flavor you get it? You have no face. Tried hookah, guys, so I really don't know. So they're just waiting for me to do this because like no one has ever seen me like smoke or do anything like that. I'm a good role model, guys. I wish. It's about to cut out. like a G. Crazy. Yo. So far what I think about it is, I think it's really great. My first experience doing hookah is pretty amazing. The only drawback that I found was that I wished that the hookah thing had like 4 sprouts instead of having to like pass it around and changing like the mouthpiece. But otherwise it's pretty cool. She's snapping me vlogging. That was weird, but yeah. It's a video.
A long time I want you know. I'm serious. It's like it's tonight, a problem. But no look different. They look the same. It's not right. I look the same. But I'm walking and I said, I look well stink. I look very stink.
So like pretty much, I'm not gonna lie, I actually really enjoyed it here. A couple people just came in just now because it's like 50 minutes to 12 o'clock. But I still requested the bill, so I just go handle that now and then we will go to Ribbies. Yeah, it wasn't so bad though, I'm not gonna lie. I just wish that the hookah had a little bit more like 4 sprouts or something like that, but like it was good. Pretty much just here taking pictures and just relaxing, you know. Alright guys. Anyway guys, let's go. So right now we're back outside. I think we're heading to Ribbies now. Yeah, we're just going to go to Ribbies. I would like to get something to eat there, but I'm not sure what their plan is. What you say? Yeah. So now But guys are just driving around in circles in this parking lot trying to find a parking space. Boy.
When I called him before he came to you.
So we just reached Acropolis, well, the parking lot of Acropolis. I'm about to take my car to go park it because I can't deal with the stress. Can't deal with stress? Can't deal with stress? Yeah, because like it's a Saturday night, so over here is like ram packed. So we have to circle around before we can actually get a parking. So after he comes back, we'll go up top, and that definitely is going to be our next problem because up there's going to be packed again, and I'm hungry. As you can see guys, we're back outside. And there, the vibe kinda good still, but like I wanted something to eat. I never want to go in there for party or club or whatever because it's supposed to be a lounge, but like a lot of people in there, so I'm kinda trying to figure out what I need to do now.
I'll tell you this.
Where we go to?
But they can really ask that.
So fortunately, there's a Wendy's beside us, so we'll get something to eat.
Conceal.
Watch him now. They look like a tree beggar. You know a beggar? We come in a big Wendy's and everybody just lying up. Why
would I do that?
Give her $50. Give her the $50. So, am I the only one that's very late? Everything is separate. You have to buy a burger and you have to buy a fries and you have to buy a soda. The freeze. Anytime you see the vlog. A joke thing with. So we just ordered. I ordered a Dave single sandwich. I don't know why they call it Dave. Huh? Catch it on this up. How much you want? $100?
110? Customer 110?
They can't read.
Customer 210, no. Thank you for reminding
They can't read.
Thank you for reminding me.
Lunch.
Yeah. I mean, that's me. Thank you. Thank you. Never send me out to buy food till I eat the price. That is one of them. Big up.
What you say?
No, this is not the most healthiest thing, guys, but yeah, we hungry. I remember when they started, I don't remember what burger company started selling the burger with the fries inside. And I was like, yo, why am I going to pay for something that I already used to do already? And call it like burger fries or something. It was like so stupid, but I've been doing this for like a minute. I'm putting my fries on the burger. I don't know, it's just like so much better. What do you guys think? Dave? Your burger nice. The bread cheese I can make with the ear, just soft and fluffy.
There's some people that will get French.
Dave, I don't want easy boy, man. Burger bad. This one.
A chip on in two fries. Chip.
Gonna eat nuggets like a baby.
I just love this picture. It is so cute.
This is what I live for, guys. Just being able to go to on a night in the town and just easy. We go a couple places. Went to like 3 places tonight. I would just chill.
You're gonna be offended.
I feel like I'm on Fast and the Furious. Everybody that eats,
You won't surprise
we
me.
family. Damn, somebody pray.
Ooh. Let me, you can do it, you won't surprise me.
Alright, then no problem.
Yo, look at these fries, yo. Who the hell here? What's that? Compared to like my fry. My fries are small. This is a small.
This is a small.
Bread. I bought a small combo.
No, I bought a small combo.
No, this is a tiny combo.
They had small and medium. I went small.
It's a coins combo.
The coins combo.
Ooh. What's that?
Take out the patty out of the burger and just eat the patty alone. Look at that. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much just got home. For me tonight was a pretty awesome night. Got to hang out with my friends, went to a couple places, got something to eat. So for that, I'm really happy for that. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'm not doing anything Sunday. I have a couple things to get done for work, but otherwise I'm not doing anything. Maybe I might start editing Monday's vlog, I'm not sure. But yeah, for me Sunday is just gonna be really chill. And as always, I'm really appreciative of you guys, you know, just watching the vlogs, giving your comments, liking, subscribing, you know, that's really important. And I'll just leave you with these 3 things as usual. Love, nature, and adaptation. Adaptation. How could you forget the end? Again, love, nature, and adaptation. And I'm not editing that out. Keep the link.